Okay, Chad, I got a different kind of video today. We got this thing. It came. What is my camera doing? It's here. We're gonna start getting this unboxed. I gotta cut open the tape. Scissors. Now I'm trying to keep this box semi-nice. So please don't do that. Oh boy. Ugh. All right. I probably should open it this way. In 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Okay, so in here it looks like we got the laptop. There's something in here that says Be More Alien. Yeah. And my right here we have the laptop itself, which is encased in this leather bag. Look at this. That is cool. It also smells pretty. Oh, I almost knocked my camera over. In there is the charger. I'm kind of concerned to see how big that charger is. Oh my god. Oh, this is one bulky boy. And it's okay, just how it gets power right here, which is kind of nice. We got a booklet. I don't know why my watch just went off. Just a register thing, tells you how to charge it. You can't see that, of course. I'll probably take a photo eventually. It's right there. Stickers. That's lovely. Oh, they're actually like reflective this time. I have Alienware stickers that aren't, and then welcome to Alienware card. Love how I threw that all on the laptop. I just dropped one of them. All of this, besides the stickers, but all of this will be going back into the laptop because that's how we do things around here. I've done that with all of my devices. Now it wants to focus. Alright, I'm not forgetting anything, right? I hope not. Oh, I didn't put the laptop back in there. It's whatever, this box is going on the floor. Okay, next up, the main event. This guy. So it looks like it comes in some sort of case with a... I don't know how. It comes with some sort of tabs here on the side. Am I supposed to cut these, or can I just... Oh no, I can pull up on them. I thought I could. Yeah, screw it. Oh, there she is, boys. Oh yeah. On the side we have SD, that. On the back is the rest of the I/O, HDMI power, USB-C, all that kind of stuff. Just your, pretty typical gaming laptop stuff. I'm gonna plug the charger in underneath my desk. All right, let's do the one hand lift test. Yep, it works. We got the screen cover. Some dust on the screen already. Look at this. Okay, so I'm guessing it doesn't have any charge. No. Alright, well, we're gonna have to plug it in then. And 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. Oh. Look at that. We got logo. The fans are not spinning at all, which is kind of concerning. The Intel sticker is not lined. Really? Really, Dell? You couldn't line the sticker up. Alright, I'm gonna get this set up and I'll see you guys back at the desktop. I'll see you guys at the desktop. It is just your pretty standard Alienware laptop setup. That is cool. This is possibly one of my favorite features that it does this. Okay, well, I'm still setting it up, but this is actually a pretty quiet laptop. Like, I'm genuinely kind of surprised for just having it sitting on the desk. It is pretty quiet. It has an Ultra 9 something 285K processor. Guys, it's doing the thingy. Oh boy. Look at that background. Can we just talk about this background for a second? I'm probably not going to keep this, but like, that looks cool. Alright, so I got pretty much a bunch of stuff installed. I got 3D Mark installed. I got Steam installed. It's doing some stuff. But I think this is where I'm going to wrap the video up. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.